Hello,
Hello.
can you hear me?
Yes,
How are you doing today?
I'm doing okay. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing well.
Hang on, I'm logging in on my computer,
Okay.
I think.
কি কথা হয়েছিল শরীফ ভাই?
Mhm.
ওর সাথে সবকিছুই বলা আছে যে স্টাডি দেওয়া আছে মানে এক মাসের জন্য টেস্টিং করবো, স্কেলিং করবো, বিভিন্ন ফানেল স্টাডি সবই বুঝেছি। কন্টেন্ট নিয়ে আমার করতে হবে, কন্টেন্ট আর গ্রাফিক্স
So in first meeting, we talk about different things, right?
Mhm.
একদম by meeting আছে
Okay. So right now you send me the access of the business manager, but that is not appropriate to run campaign and manage it properly. So if you share the screen, I can show you to give access like admin access. All right, so for the access part, I think it's fine. We can manage and run the ad, and your business manager also well organized, so it's fine.
Okay.
So already we talked in our first meeting about strategic things. You can stop the screen share.
Okay.
So you completed the document. You already told us that let me check the document again.
And I didn't load anything yet, but I can do that.
All right, so USA $200 daily budget. So what we need from you, first of all, we need the product link that you want to advertise. And then also we need to uh, have the access to your ad creative. So we have a graphic designer. So if we need any changes on your graphics, according to Facebook and Instagram sizes, we'll optimize that. And we'll see the Facebook page and Instagram what content you have. When you share the product link you want to advertise initially, right?
Well, we really just want to do the whole website. Is that good or no? You want us to pick a product?
Yeah, like a whole website promoting doesn't match to the targeted audience need, because we have to show the ad and the product what they need right now. Okay, so Facebook randomly don't pick a product from your website and match with your targeted audience. We have to write down the headline, we have to write down the primary text like description of the ad, and we have to prepare some graphics and videos to show the advertising of a specific product to the specific customer. They are looking the specific product. So this is how you match. So if I am searching moisturizer and you are bringing multiple skincare product to me, I cannot really match it, right? It doesn't
Right.
fit to me. So that's why we need, so in Facebook, we know that we have catalog collection, catalog ad, collection ad, and other format of ad where we add multiple product. That's a practice, but I want to advertise specific product to the specific audience also. We want to test that, okay?
Okay.
So
So
as
where is it you want me to put pictures and stuff? Because that Google link is just for the campaign, right? Where do you want me to send pictures and things like that?
if you already have a Google Drive with your images and video, you can share the link with access. Do you know how to do that?
I do, but there's other people on that. Let me look at it real quick. Because the marketing people that we've been using, they didn't they don't do ads at all, but they have a Google Drive with us. Let me see if I can. See, I think we have our last meeting. They were helping us with like our newsletter and the website and things like that. But we're having our final meeting with them today. We just kind of decided that we need to be in charge of everything except for the ads, because I've been trying for almost 3 months and I literally just can't do it. I've been on with my Meta Marketing Pro once or twice a week for 3 months, and I'm still having such a hard time with those ads. So we decided we would rather pay somebody to do the ads, and we'll focus on the newsletter and the blog and all those kinds of things. So anyway, we have our last meeting with them today. They created this folder though, so I don't think I can share this one with you. But I can you want me to just make another Google Drive folder and then send you the link for that and put everything in it? Is that good?
Yes.
We also have some footage of us building this building that I'm in. I don't know if that's something that you might want to utilize too. I can load those videos up. I don't know if that's of interest. But we do have some professional pictures that were done of the products. We'll be redoing those though, as soon as we're waiting on we're rebranding too. So we're waiting on some new labels to come in. And as soon as we get those, we'll be doing new product photos. But for now, we'll just use what we have. And there's some good pictures in there. So I'll create a new folder. Let me do that right now.
Yeah, that's fine. So you have paid us like for 30 days, $350. First of all, we develop the strategy, we outline everything, and we are doing the research of your targeted customer. Still, as we didn't select specific product, because we should have some priority in initial stage, and then we can add in our promotion other products also. And as I told you,
Okay.
we'll run a collection and catalog ad also with multiple products, but those will be very similar to one another. Okay, so you have multiple collection categories. So in one category, maybe we'll bring like 5 or 6 products from one category, and another
Okay.
collection we'll add another categories ad. Okay, this way. So
Okay.
my team member joined in the first meeting and discussed too many things. So I am inviting him to join again. So he will explain further things to you. Okay.
Okay. So do you want me to just tell you which product we want to do?
You add the link in the document so that help both of us. Okay.
Okay. So do you want me to? The pictures are kind of a lot of the pictures are kind of generic, but some of them you can see the lids on them. So do you want me to just make one folder and just add all of the product pictures there? We don't have
Okay.
necessarily.
Let me clear more specifically. First of all, you select 2 or 3 best category from your store, 2 or 3
Okay.
best category. From each category, you select up to 4 to 5 products. Okay, so if you select 2 category, then bring 8 to 10 products. If you select 3 different category, then you bring like 12 to 15 products. Okay.
So 3 categories and then 4 or 5 in each category.
Right, right.
So we have like the whipped tallow lotions. So we have products, not really categories. So should we just do products? Like the whipped tallow lotion is the most popular. So we can go with that one, but we don't have an individual product photo for each of the different scents that we have of that product. Does that make sense?
Yeah, I'm inviting my partner, so he will understand more because first meeting was did by him. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, Sharif is coming here.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay. We done research on your website, so we had some recommendation. So just let me share my screen.
We started the project when they have very few orders every month, around like 10 or 20, and the ROS was around like 1.5. and we optimize their website, especially the product page and social media accounts. And now after 3 months, this is the result from the store. In less than 3 months, we have sold more than $223,000 from this store. Let me refresh the browser. Okay, so this is the result. Like, we increase the sales and also we decrease the cost per sales. And if I go to the meta to show the important metrics, you can see that some of the campaign we are running that are getting more than 44% ROAS, which is most important data we should look for. So you can understand how successful the campaign was and how profitable it is. Let me refresh the browser. Okay, I just refresh the browser. You can see that one campaign is getting like more than 44% ROAS and another is getting more than 50% ROAS. So this was the success of the campaign for the company. I just want to share you some important point how we get this success. When I took the project, first of all, I did a proper research of their industry, their behavior and the market demand and how their website and product page should be optimized. And after doing that, I optimize the website and the product page so that we get more conversion. This is very important. And secondly, we did a proper and in-depth audience research for their specific category and specific product, and we segmented their audience to test in different level to understand which audience works better for their e-commerce store, for their products and specific category. And finally, we got some winning audience that we used in our scaling campaign. And finally, in our sales campaign, one most important things we apply that really work for them. They are selling high price skincare product, and that those products are solving a real problem that customer face. So it's a problem solving product. So we created powerful content in our sales funnel, and we prepare a powerful retargeting process to get more conversion, because in this type of product, customer take time to take a decision and understand the product, how it benefit them and how it solve their problem. And if they find that the product is really solving the problem, and if they trust the business and the company and the brand they are selling the product by doing and comparing the product, then they take decision to purchase. So we successfully created the content and apply the retargeting and got higher conversion in our retargeting process. So that's where the game-changing plan and strategy we apply for their e-commerce store, and we got the outstanding result from this campaign. So if you want to get this kind of result, you can consult with us and you can audit your business, website and product, etc., and then build a solid customized strategy for your e-commerce store and bring this kind of result.